A Cash App card usually stops working when there's a decline from your balance, a disabled card status, or a merchant restriction at checkout. By the end, you'll know the exact reasons the Cash App card fails, what each failure means, and the fastest fixes that usually get it working again. Start with the most common issue. The Cash App card won't work if your balance is too low to cover the purchase. That means the transaction is being blocked before it even reaches approval. Now explain what users miss. Some transactions also fail because Cash App automatically declines certain merchant types. That happens when a merchant category is restricted or flagged for higher risk. Now explain another major cause. If your Cash App card is locked, every transaction will fail instantly. This is a security feature that disables all spending until you unlock it. Now, explain what causes locking. Manual lock settings, suspicious activity detection, or repeated failed PIN entries can trigger it. Now, explain bank-side issues. Some purchases fail because the merchant's payment terminal cannot process prepaid or debit-style digital cards correctly. Now move to the first fix. Open Cash App and go to the card section. Check if your card is toggled off or locked. Now explain the second fix. If it's locked, unlock it immediately in the app. Then try the transaction again. Now explain the third fix. Check your Cash App balance before retrying. If needed, add funds from your linked bank account. Now explain the fourth fix. If the card is still failing, remove and re-add it in your mobile wallet if you are using Apple Pay or Google Pay. Now explain the fifth fix. Try a different merchant or payment method. This helps confirm whether the issue is merchant-specific or card-wide. Now explain a key mistake. Repeatedly swiping or retrying a failed transaction at the same store can sometimes trigger additional security flags. Now, explain when it's a system issue. If Cash App servers are experiencing issues, card transactions may fail across multiple merchants until service stabilizes. Now summarize the core idea. Cash App card issues usually come from low balance, locked card status, merchant restrictions, or processing errors. Most fixes involve checking card status, confirming funds, and retrying with a different setup. And in some cases, the issue is temporary and resolves on its own. One practical next step. Always check the card tab first because it immediately shows whether your card is locked or active. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear Cash App fixes and simple explanations without confusion.